Our solar system is a fascinating place. We have planets of all sizes, we have asteroids and comets. But what if I told you something is missing? Some scientists believe there was once another planet in our solar system. It's gone now. Vanished. This missing world is called Planet 5. We haven't seen Planet V directly, so how could we even think it existed? The answer lies in the way our solar system is structured. The arrangement of planets and the asteroid belt suggests there might have been something more. Something big that's no longer there. The idea of a missing planet is intriguing. It raises many questions. What was Planet 5 like? How did it disappear? And what can its fate tell us about the formation of our solar system and others? These are the mysteries we'll explore. The early solar system was a wild place. Imagine a giant cloud of gas and dust. This cloud was spinning. Gravity pulled the material inwards. At the center, our sun was born. The rest of the cloud swirled around it. Over millions of years, the dust and gas clumped together. These clumps grew larger and larger. They attracted more material with their gravity. This is how planets formed. It was a chaotic process. Planets interacted with each other. They pulled on each other with their gravity. Some planets migrated inwards towards the sun. Others were flung outwards. Some may have even been ejected from the solar system entirely. It's like a cosmic game of billiards. This early chaos is important to understand because it sets the stage for Planet 5's story. Planet 5 is thought to have existed in the early solar system. It would have orbited the Sun between Mars and the asteroid belt. This region is intriguing. It's a sort of no man's land. Mars is relatively small, the asteroid belt is a collection of debris. There's a noticeable gap between them. Scientists have noticed something interesting about the asteroid belt. The asteroids aren't spread out evenly. They're clustered in groups with different compositions. This suggests something disturbed them long ago. Could Planet 5 have been the culprit? The existence of Planet 5, even if only hypothetical, helps to explain some of the features we observe in the solar system today. It's like a puzzle piece that fits, even if we haven't found the complete picture yet. So, if Planet 5 existed, where did it go? Scientists have proposed two main theories. The first theory is ejection. Remember the gravitational chaos of the early solar system? Some scientists believe that Jupiter, the largest planet, may have played a role. As Jupiter migrated, its immense gravity could have disturbed the orbit of Planet 5, flinging it out of the solar system. The second theory is a collision. Planet 5 may have collided with another planet or large object. This collision could have shattered Planet 5 into pieces, forming some of the asteroids we see in the asteroid belt today. Both theories have their merits. Ejection explains the missing planet. Collision explains the asteroid belt's composition. The truth might involve a combination of both scenarios. Further research and simulations will help us unravel this cosmic mystery. As we peer deeper into the cosmos, each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. Future space missions and advanced technology will continue to shed light on these ancient mysteries. Who knows what other secrets the universe holds, waiting for us to uncover. The journey of discovery is endless, and the adventure has only just begun. What do you think happened to Planet 5? Could it still be out there, drifting in the vast emptiness of space? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing space mysteries.